Place 1/3 cup lemon juice, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons dried thyme, half a teaspoon rosemary, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, in a non-reactive bowl, and whisk to combine. Place the chicken pieces in the bowl and turn to coat with the marinade. Place in the refrigerator and marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove chicken from marinade and place in a single layer in a large baking dish. Reserve the marinade. Brush melted butter on each piece of chicken. Bake for 20 minutes. Baste the chicken pieces generously with the reserved marinade. Continue baking for another 15 to 25 minutes until the skins are crispy brown and the chicken is cooked through, juices running clear, and an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let rest for about 10 minutes before serving. Serve the chicken with the juices on the side or a little poured over the top of the chicken. And there you have it, lemon chicken thighs.